I'm inquiring about printing my own t-shirts.
Yeah, for sure. Do you know anything about the t-shirts?
None whatsoever, actually.
I can show you what we have to offer. So these are t-shirt options right here.
Oh, wonderful.
We have all the sizes, obviously, but we offer in black and white right now.
Okay,
So
yeah.
here's the white option. And we also have it in black.
Nice quality t-shirts.
Thank you. Are you looking to get them today?
Yes, I think I'm gonna order one t-shirt, the black ones.
Yeah, for sure. So how it works is we order all orders online.
Okay.
But we can definitely help you over here. We have a computer in store. So I'll show you the section of the t-shirts. Hey, how's it going?
Good, good. I'm wondering if I could check out my t-shirt.
Yeah, for sure. Let me grab it for you. Here.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks awesome, hey?
Yeah, definitely. I love the graphic. I love what you guys have done with it.
Oh, thank you. Here you go.
Brilliant.